And we are going our way. Look at Mama. Cheese.
We have a wand.
We got a cute little doll here. We got a cute little John here. Where's your face? There's
And
your
where's
face.
Noah? That's my baby.
Yeah. And then we got a doll. Where are we right now?
Here.
Where's here?
Over at Grandma's house.
Oh, are you in the gym?
Yeah.
So cute. Be careful, okay? Cutie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
Careful your head, please.
Why is this thing really super tall?
Yeah. So I'm waiting downstairs because they are cooking shrimp upstairs and I am highly allergic. So I don't breathe in the shrimp air. We are in their gym downstairs.
I want to take off my baby.
You, sir. 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 Careful over there. Where did you go? Sir. Sir. Careful. Our holiday outfit. Wearing some plaid PJs. My ninja french fry sweatshirt. And what are you wearing, sir?
Shirt, sweater, pants, and socks.
Oh, what color are they?
Red, black, white, red, and black.
Oh, very cool.
Black and white.
Oh, look at Mommy here. Hi. Beautiful bow. You're destroying it.
I remember a few years ago, his old friends were like the wrapping paper better than the...
Peel it off. Maybe help him with the bow. Let's see. Let's see if you know.
No.
Ooh. What kind of Bugatti?
A Bugatti bag.
Yeah. Did you say thank you? Say thank you.
Wait, what is it for real? Boys, remote, anything.
Yeah. Save the ribbon. Who's that from? 12 Things of Crafting.
It's from Auntie P.
The wrapping paper master PJs.
Oh, that's from Auntie Shan, Uncle Aeon.
Oh.
You get to make your own ornaments.
Oh.
For next year.
You want to make
For
Christmas
next
ornaments?
Open that one.
I know, we'll play this later. Open all your presents first.
He just keeps going back to the Bugatti.
This is what he really wanted. Ira was the first person to ask me, so he got dibs.
Yeah, ask her once I get it. Good job, Evan.
Oh, his pajama pants.
Oh,
Hey, he could put those on right now.
What is it?
He fits it. What's his size?
I think he's a 5
Oh,
or a
yeah, he
4.
could put that on right now. I think it's a 4.
You ready?
Nothing beats cars.
Say 3, 2, 1.
What's inside?
Oh, what's this? Oh, dinosaurs.
You make your own.
Oh, you can make your own soap. Wow, that is cool.
That's for Hoy. That's for Hoy.
What is it?
But that one was for Evan.
Bath bombs?
Oh.
Evan likes bath bombs. Like the robot. Yeah, you could turn left, go forward. Yeah, just like your robot. Where did you go? Go forward. Ah, that's backwards. Don't crash. Go forward. Do you know how to go forward? You're going backwards, baby. You have to turn it the other way. There we go. Oh, whoa, that was so fast. It's supercharged turbo. Whoa, woohoo. Ah, don't crash. Evan, don't crash. You're going to really ruin your car. You have to learn to drive safely, okay?
You have to press forward at the same time or backwards. You have to press left and backwards.
Ah, you're going to crash into me?
No.
Okay.
Press right and forward. Oh.
Ah, you're crashing into me.
Yeah,
Wear it now.
Shannon has this one.
No.
Yeah, you gotta wear it now.
Mom, wear it now.
Yeah,
Since
you
you
gotta wear
know.
it
I'm not gonna change.
You should.
Oh my God. You
Wow. You like Grandpa Christopher, yeah. Oh, so cute. Uh-oh, heard it fall.
That with the little T.
Here, Auntie show you. Just press it. Press it on the snowflake.
Not in the hole, Evan. On this snowflake.
Oh, you guys arts and crafts?
I'm doing one.
You guys want to do it too?
What do you think? I'll put it on the tree.
You look hella cute in your headband, 11.
My phone. Christopher, are you eating fruit? I mean, dessert?
We're jumping, Auntie.
Yeah. You might need to take it sideways so it won't cover Shannon's face.
No, I'm trying to get 11's smile. Smile.
Ah, there you go.
Look at you.
Ah, hey, get away from me.